Welcome to Workers and Resources Soviet Republic, episode 8. And as you can see, almost in the center of the screen, we have a new piece of joy. Shortkey or hotkey shortcuts. It's here, the new update. So we're going to look a little bit of that today. And also we have a few new buildings. Yeah, they're most into personal cars, and yeah, we're not really gonna start using them already. But let's just get this game rolling, so we can see what is going to happen. And we're running. Yee. Lovely. Okay, the mouse is stuck. And last time we were here, we set up the building on some foundations, so we can spend a little of the gravel we're producing. We will also set up a small export of gravel, and we have started far out here to the left, setting up a steel mill and the production to support the steel mill. Well, at least some of it, the coal production. We've also set up a few other buildings. But today we're just gonna connect it to the city, and then we are going to start building these foundations. This is just a temporary road. That's not really going to be used for anything particularly, but building this area. There we are. That's going to be a long drive. But it doesn't matter, we have plenty of time, because, well, I know rich people will tell you time is money, but we have all the time in the world and we have no money. So, well, I don't really agree. And these are, again, just access roads, so we can get the foundations built, so we can get this set up a little bit cheaper than we otherwise could have. Let's just see. Are we going to do? Hey, cut that out. These roads. Oh, no, 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 no. That's not too. I hope that is not too. Oh, that is not good. Ooh. Maybe we can save it. Maybe we can save it because we need a connection. Let's see what we can do. Oh, it can be done. Where there's a will, there's a way. Well, where there's enough money, there is a way. Yeah, something you need to learn in a socialistic country here. There we are, connected. That's not looking promising. That is going to be an unpleasant run downhill. Well, let's change our direction of life. We can start adding something to our hotkeys. You just go over here, hover over it, and click. And now you have a hotkey. Excellent. I just have to remember using it. Oh well. this is going to become a problem. But it's not that big a problem. Not yet. Just need to get out of here. Yeah. Go away. And we just push the number 1 button. Hey, cut that out. Somebody just... Okay. Hey. Looks nice, doesn't it? Well, no, it actually doesn't. But that's not the point. Let's see here. Let's see how our buildings are faring. They need to go to 18.29 to finish construction. No, it can go higher. We just need enough materials on all these constructions to do the deed. Oh, there was one thing we've forgot in the earlier episodes, and we will fix that now. Because we built this marvelous little fire station here. There are 2 minor problems. We have no fire trucks and we have no firefighters. So now we're going to solve one of the problems. We are going to buy a fire truck. And this is it. It's a Skoda. Yay. And as soon as we get one of these buildings here up and running, we will equip them with enough citizens to do our fire station. So we can put out at least a bit of fires. Let's just have a small, quick look. Yeah. People are not super overly happy, but it doesn't matter, they're not overly unhappy. Just they're unable to visit a church or place of spirituality. Lovely. Yeah, that's because we can't build churches, we're like kind of commies here. So if you would please mind, stop wanting to go to church, all of you, religious nut jobs. Go to the US or something. We can see here what we are. We are down 75 ton of stone. Quarried stone to be precise. Well, it's actually gravel, not quarried stone. Quarried stone is what we put into our gravel processing plant. Yep. Hey, we have exports. We have sold gravel for 675. Yeah, well, not getting rich from that. Not really. In the meanwhile, doing that, we've spent 8,000 rubles. As you can see, most of it on fuel. Yeah, well, that's kind of a problem. We're spending more on fuel than we're selling for on gravel. Those 2 things are good to match up. This one is fixed. How are we faring down here? I can see we are starting to have some crops. That means that we need to kind of finish this. And as close to the border as we are, there's no real idea in Not buying it. Finish it. There we are. Just need some road. Just doing like, yep. Just a temporary road until we get something else done. We need some trucks to move some crops. Where did my trucks go? No trucks? Covered hole. Yeah, big trucks. 2 Skodas, please. We'll just set up. So that we can go here. Pick up. And drop off. Still don't have a production up and running, but you will get there soon enough. It's not that important to produce for our own consumption, but at least we will have some sort of export. Let's just see. Can this one supply workers to the distillery? Seemingly not. No, does not look like it. This one probably can. It will. We just need to make sure it can. We need footpaths. Let's put the footpath up here. We use them all the time. Of course we misclick. Okay, this one we're just gonna build because we're gonna need it. Off you go. Oh, something went wrong. Yeah. This one did not connect properly. I am happy about this new connection. Okay. Price I'm willing to pay. Where are those trucks going? Are they hiding somewhere? No, nah, they're coming along. They're coming along nicely. Maybe something got in the way. But it's better to put them through the distillery than just export them. You just set them up for export. And the end of it. Okay. 4. Good. Just wanted to see how far along they went. But they seem to have been doing well. Ooh, no workers. That's not good. We need asphalt right now. That is misfortunate. So we have empty trucks milling about. Not making me obscenely happy. Right now I'm just out for how far this construction bonanza is going, especially prefab 4 that has all the material it needs to complete this construction, and it is almost there, just to see how far you go with basic construction. So it's almost 34% completed for just gravel, concrete and asphalt. Oh, that's interesting. We are going to cancel any further construction of this little thing. And you can see the excavator, when we cancel it, actually auto-ported. That's nice, to the construction yard. If we didn't cancel it, it would mill about in its own horribly slow pace. Yeah, I know, a little gamey, but that wasn't why I did it, just showing that it could be done. We have everything we need. No, we need asphalt. Everybody needs asphalt right now. The asphalt plant was down. No workers. We're also fitting up this one. Okay, 1 ton of asphalt. Yeah, that's gonna take some time. Thank you, autosave. How much can we store here? Okay, 64 ton. That's fine. When prefab 5 reaches the almost 34%, we will auto build the rest of it with rubles, because we need more rubles. Okay, somebody needs to get their mufflers fixed. Oh well, that's just a sign at the end of law and order as we know it. But, well, that's not the first time that has happened. Let's see, how far are we down here? Around status quo, that's fine. And the hospital is milling about nicely, little ambulances running in and out. Yeah, well, that's nice enough. One thing you of course can do is that you can start buying up more dump trucks and stuff like that to increase the speed. But right now we don't really have the money. We are horribly low on money. By the way, while we are sitting here waiting for nothing to happen, we will just go to our American agro farm border thing, those two farms, and start setting up selling, because we're gonna need some trucks there, and they're gonna cost us money too. Yeah, come on, don't get stuck. Let's find the border. There we are. Yeah, that's fine. What do we have here? We have one of those. Yeah. Oh, nope. That's not it. But I still love that I could close down these without having to catch them. Just gonna sell off a couple of these so we have room to make new purchases. I'm gonna buy 4 new trucks. And we will be starting exporting some crops. But we will buy the trucks from with rubles, because we can get the Skodas, and they are right now our best truck for exports. They seem to have the biggest load for the truck. I hope that some of the problems we've had with the sound has been solved. It seems that it is a resource problem. Oh. Yeah. With the computer. And it looks like we're still having a resource problem, but I hope at least the sound part of it has been solved. Okay, that was one set of trucks. We are buying another one here. Oh dear, we're low on money. I'm just sitting here wondering, could my mouse problems also be connected to the lack of resources? That could actually be. Well, that's interesting. We'll have to look into that. Good. Now we have set up some crop export, and we are down to 183,000 rubles in cash. It's horrible. Let's go back to our ruble border. Yep. That's kind of, yeah, that was too far in the wrong direction. So, where did my city go? Huh. That's inconvenient. My city disappeared. Huh. Oh, there it is. Came back. Found it. It's right here. Yeah. That's big messy spider web down here on the ground. This one has finished. Let's build. Yeah, that was the one. There we are. Let's see what we have here. Let's some Soviet-style immigrants. Let's take 60 of those. And some third worlders. Cheap. At least. Let's see how this place is faring up. We also need something to export our distilled, our alcohol, of course. Yes, alcohol, that's what it's called. Yeah, like I could forget that. Right, nobody's gonna believe that one. I don't know if I've mentioned that in this new update there's also a personal car thing, and there's also a truck, seemingly at least, a truck or car production system or line. I have not looked into any of that yet, but at some point I will, of course, and I will let you know. But right now, just basic setup here, so at least we can make some sort of money. Let's just sit back here a few minutes, relax, and enjoy the view of crop being turned into alcohol. That's nice enough. I like alcohol. I'm actually quite a fan of it. Just need to prepare that factory connection behind the distillery. Just gonna prepare it. We're not gonna build it yet. We do need some more workers at that distillery. There we go. It looks like we still have a resource problem. I will try to do something about it, but right now it does not seem that. You know what? Instead of doing that, I want you to. Sure, I have a pub somewhere, and I can get to it. It's probably gonna burn down. Building full with alcohol, highly flammable alcohol. What could possibly go wrong? Not like we. What are we doing here? Okay. 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 Yes. We have a lot of trucks going in, out, around, in and out, going just around. Okay. We have 2 workers? Why do we only have 2 workers? Should we have bit more? No kindergarten problems? No. No. Shouldn't be a problem. There are room in the kindergarten. Go away. Just... Okay. Let's just say... that dump truck, you can see there, just delivered something for the conveyor belt. That's what they do. They go in through one of the buildings. It's not like it's delivering gravel for the production of alcohol. That's not how it works. Just taking some production to these citizens here. This nice little house. It would be nice if you can just go in and like go in, click on 69 and then say, well, I want 70% of workers going here instead of clicking up and down. That would be more efficient. That could be nice. But I think that will be all for that one. We've just grazed shortly on this nice little new update with hotkeys. So that was it for all. No, that was not it for all. That was it for now. So thank you all.